Hi my dear students, this is Ivanka teacher, and do you know what we are going to learn today in maths? We are going to learn about doubling and halving. Okay, before I start my lesson, I just want to tell you all something. Even though I am not in front of you all, I just want everybody to be cooperate, and I want everyone to answer my questions. When I ask something from that side, you all have to answer me. Just imagine teacher is right in front of you all and just answer my questions. So everything will go to your mind very clearly. Okay, now I will go to the lesson. Now, what is doubling and halving? What is it? Double. Double means we add the same number on again to make it twice as big. That means 2 times. Understand? We multiply the number by 2. Okay. What is halving? Halve. This means to split the number into 2 equal groups, which means we divide the number by 2. Now look at these examples I have given. We can say double. Okay. We can say 2 lots of. These are the names that we can use for doubling. Okay. And this, the third one is 2 times. And what is the fourth one? It's twice. Now these are the names that we can use for doubling. When we talk about halving, we can use these names. Now look at these names. Half of. Okay. Second one, divide by 2. And the third one is halve. I hope everybody understood what I said. Okay. Now moving on to the third slide, children, let's talk about doubling. Doubling means, now see the facts. Okay. In this picture you can see there are 2 pair of shoes. Sorry, there are 2 shoes but only have 1 pair, which means I will show you. Okay, 1 into 2 equals how much? Now I want everybody to answer me. 1 into 2 how much? Very good, it's 2. That is what teacher have described here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's go to the second one. There is 2 plus 2 equals 4, which means 2 into 2 equals how much, children? 4. That is what you call doubling. This given number here, look at this, the number that I am circling. This is the given number. So these 2 numbers we have multiplied by number 2. Okay, I hope you all understood what I just said. Okay, for those who didn't understand, let me explain one more time. Okay, now this is number 3. Let's take number 3. We multiply it by number 2. Can you tell me the answer? 3 into 2, it's 6. So, see, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, and 3 into 2 is 6. This is what you call doubling. Understand? Okay, now let's go to the other slide, which is halving. What do you mean by halving? Halving means we split the number into 2 equal parts. Now see, look at this example what I have given. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 10 is 5. Now let me draw you and explain. Okay? I will draw you and explain. Now see, I have 8 balls with me. How many balls do I have, children? I have 8 with me. and I'm going to split into 2 equal parts. I'm going to divide this number, the number of balls that I have, into 2 equal parts. How will I do it? Now look at this. 8 divide by 2. I am going to split this number into 2 equal parts. That's what you call halving. 8 divide by 2 equals 4. See, I have 8 here, and when I split this into 2 equal parts, what is the number that I am going to get in one side? It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means 4 into 2, how much then? It's 8. When you divide it into 2, what's the number you get? 4. Did you all understand what I just said? Okay. Let me explain this one now. What is this? Everybody knows about this. Everybody know. What is this? This is a pencil, color pencil case. Okay, how many color pencils are there? There are 12 color pencils. Okay, and I'm gonna double it, which means I have 2 packets of these color pencils with me. What will be the answer? Tell me. Which means, see, in one color pencil box I have 12. 12 into I have 2 color pencil boxes, which means in one I have 12. So 12 into 2. How much? Let's see the answer. What is the answer? 24. Which means, Pute, we have multiplied 12 into 2. So we get the answer as 12. Now let's see an example for halving, which means division. Divide by 2. See, the same thing. I have 12 color pencils with me. Okay, and I'm gonna give half of it to my friend, which means I'm gonna give, I have 12, I'm gonna give half of it to my friend. What will be the answer? I want everybody to take a piece of paper and calculate. I have told you all, when you are doing maths, you need to have a rough paper with you to do your calculations. I hope everybody have a rough paper with you all. Okay, so now let's see the answer. 12 divided by 2. What is the answer? 6. When you divide 12 by 2, 6 is the answer. Did you all understand what I explained? I hope everybody understood my lesson. Now what did we learn today? Doubling and halving. Doubling means multiplying by a certain number by 2, and halving. Halving means dividing a certain number by 2. Okay, thank you and God bless you children.